Following a series of attacks on civilians in and around Paona Bazar and Thangal Bazar areas in Manipur, police registered a case and launched an investigation. The attacks carried out by unknown miscreants had sparked concern among residents and authorities. During their investigation, Manipur Police identified and apprehended 7 individuals suspected to be involved in these incidents. The apprehensions took place across various locations in Imphal West and Imphal East districts. The arrested individuals include Kumukcham Briani Singh, 19, RK Ronish Singh, 22, and 5 children in conflict with the law. The apprehensions mark a significant breakthrough in the ongoing efforts to address the security challenges faced in these areas. Manipur Police quick response and efficient investigation have been commanded by local residents and authorities. Further investigation into the motives behind attacks and the involvement of other individuals is currently underway. The apprehended suspects will be subject to legal proceedings as the investigation processes to ensure justice for the victims and maintain peace and security in the region.